Okay, we use purple. Okay, let us begin. Okay, can you read this one?
Max is on well. Yes.
Can you repeat? Cuba baca balik.
Max is not well. Yes.
Well,
Well,
what is this?
yes.
Is it yes?
Yes.
Can you read this again?
Yes.
What sound is this?
Yes.
What sound is this?
Yes.
Yet. Okay, repeat.
Max is on. Max is not well yet.
Okay, good job. 2 steps for you. Okay, good job. Okay, can you read this one?
Will Max the fox get well?
Good job. Kita naik roket. Okay, next.
Yes, Max the fox will get well.
Okay, good job. 2 steps again. Okay, next.
But this is this.
Okay, good job. 2 steps. Okay, read this one. Okay, read this one.
This has a bag.
Okay, good job. 2 step ahead. Okay, read this one. Okay, baca lagi.
This is a bag.
Her bag. Good job. 2 steps. Okay. Okay, read this one.
A zip.
A zip. Good job. 2 steps. Kenapa? Okay, good job. Okay, read this one.
The bag has a zip.
Okay, good job. Kita naik roket. Okay, one more.
The bag has a zigzag zip.
Okay, good job. Kita dah sampai star. Good job. Okay. Okay, next.